Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating your device. Check Android version and ensure a quick settings backup. Open network settings and choose private DNS or install a trusted DNS changer app. This is faster for testing. Enter the DNS provider hostname or numeric IP, for example 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and tap Save. Once done, restart the app you use for Facebook so DNS resolution resets. This step prevents cached routes and prepares you to confirm connectivity changes immediately. You now configure DNS to influence Facebook traffic specifically. If your Android supports private DNS, enter a resolver hostname. Otherwise, use an app that can apply DNS per app. Make sure to enable the app's VPN-like permission so requests route through the chosen resolver. Once done, clear DNS cache by restarting the Facebook app or rebooting the phone, and then open Facebook. This isolates DNS as the variable, so load improvements show the why. Faster name resolution or bypassing ISP filters. You finish by verifying the change. Use a DNS lookup app or a test page to confirm queries resolve via the new DNS. If Facebook still has issues, toggle private DNS off and on, switch to another resolver, or fully reboot the device to clear stubborn caches. Make sure no VPN or security app is overriding DNS, and check app permissions. Some firewalls block custom DNS. If problems persist, revert settings and try alternative resolvers. That single troubleshooting tip often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.